What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new slime restock video. I am super excited to show you the slimes that we have in today's restock. It is going to be a little bit of a smaller restock. Again, I am so sorry. I actually wasn't even going to restock this week. We were going to take the week off and somehow I ended up making 3 new slimes. So I was like, hey, why don't we just sell these with the big 3 and make a restock out of it? So that is what we are doing. Right now you are watching Chanel number 2. She is my #1 bestseller. Very good and thick and glossy girl. She's really good, scented like Bubblicious bubblegum, great for bubble pops, great for one-handed play as well. She doesn't melt fast, and she's just amazing. Everything you need in a slime. She is 1 in a million, okay? We are also going to be selling the make your own Chanel number 2 boxes, which if you didn't see my last restock video, you should definitely check out because we came out with our own slime kits where you can make your own version of my bestseller. So you can definitely just go ahead and snatch one of those if you just want to make your own Chanel, or you can snatch the make your own Chanel box with a Chanel number 2 already made to compare and contrast and see how well you did. A lot of people did that surprisingly. So yeah, we are restocking those kits and it's gonna be pretty fun. And next up we have Baja Blast. This one is my second bestseller and it is actually a hybrid slime. It is a hybrid between a cloud dough slime and an icy slime. Looks like an icy and it's really cool. Actually it looks kind of like a Slurpee, which I really like, and it has little baby drizzles, kind of gives you that web effect when you pull on it, and it's really cool. This one is actually scented like Baja Blast as well. The mouth, oh my god, the scent is mouth watering. You are definitely gonna love it. It's so good. It smells just like a fresh Baja Blast freeze from Taco Bell, and you know Taco Bell has my heart as it is. Put a Baja Blast in it and you know I'm just dead. She's back, and I ain't talking about Miss Vanjie. This here is Mud Mask. Mud Mask was on vacation for a while, but don't get it twisted, y'all. This is my 3rd bestseller in the shop. We saw a lot of Mud Masks. This is yet again another hybrid slime. This time a hybrid between a cloud cream and a butter slime. So if you were a fan of like really light and almost dense at the same time butter slime textures, this is definitely going to be one for you because it has that butter slime base with some cloud cream in it, and it's just so cool. The texture is just really hard to explain. It gives you that web effect, and it also like totally will trigger your trypophobia if you have that. It is so good. I love this, and you know, it's just an amazing slime. I love it. I don't know what else to say about it. I mean, I talk about these slimes all the time, but they just keep getting better as we make them and find different ways to improve on them. And Mud Mask is definitely that case. She is that girl this week. Love it. So smooth, so spreadable, and sizzly. Just amazing. Scented like green tea lemon. Just snatch her. Melted Pocky is a new slime to the shop, and y'all, it is so glossy. It's really, really good. It is a new slime. I already said that, but it smells really, really nice, like brownie batter, and it's just really cool. It comes with 2 fake little Pocky charms that are so adorable, and she's just a glossy queen. This is definitely one of my favorite slimes from the restock. Probably one of my favorite slimes that I've ever made, honestly, and I know it seems pretty basic, but you just have to feel it for yourself. It feels so good. It is a school glue base, but I added a tiny little bit of glue wall. I've never done that before, but I tried it this time, and y'all, it's so good. It gives it a thickness, but it still has stretch and gloss. Like, it's just so good. You definitely need to snatch this one just to try. It is amazing. And another one of my really favorite slime from this week's restock. Probably one of my favorite slimes that I've ever made, honestly. This one is called Unicorn Magic, and it is just so beautiful. Here's a little bit of unicorn magic for your day, honey. It is just amazing. I love it so much. It is unscented, but I did use like a marshmallow unicorn magic soap in here to make it bubbly so you can get great bubble pop. So it does have like the tiniest scent of marshmallow. It's not that like intense though. So if you don't like scented slime, you'll probably still love this, honestly. It's a really pretty blue to purple color shifting slime base, and it is clear base, obviously. And then it's packed full of some unicorn magic. So there are some foam beads in there. There are these little heart sponges that are not like jelly cubes, actually. They don't squish up, so they will stay in the heart shape and just make it so much more beautiful. There's also some fishbowl beads just for the look to give it a little bit of crystal magic. And then there are also some glitters. There are holographic stars and hearts. This slime is just so beautiful. You definitely need to snatch this if you're a true unicorn, honey. And lastly, we have strawberry panna cotta, inspired by a Italian dessert that is one of my favorites. It's so good. So this slime is based off of the custard treat that has like the fruit at the bottom. It's not really like fruit, but it's like a fruit glaze. So it has the strawberry jelly slime on the bottom, layered on top of a white butter slime that smells exactly like strawberry and fresh cream. Not like strawberry and cream. Don't get it twisted, honey. This was not a pre-made scent. I mixed this scent myself with like 5 different strawberry scents and a fresh cream scent. It smells so good, and you definitely need to snatch this one for the scent alone. But also when you mix it, it becomes a really cool texture when you mix that cloud cream and the jelly slime together. I mean butter slime, sorry. And the jelly slime together. It becomes really nice. It's literally 1 a.m. so sorry if I'm like rambling on, but it's really nice. I love it so much. You definitely need to snatch, and it comes with a cute little baby strawberry on top. It's just so adorable. You need to snatch. Alrighty, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. There is only 6 slimes in this restock, but we made a bunch of them. So head to the shop and snatch. We open at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time every Friday. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!